You know, it's 2019. You may not know that now there are approximately 585 million people with LinkedIn accounts. Some may know how to use it. Many don't. You also may not know that LinkedIn started in 2002. This is a serious business tool. It has been around for nearly 17 years. We can't ignore it. And if you don't know how to use it, you're missing great opportunities. Listen, the people who want to connect with other people who want to be discovered, people who want to make a connection, develop a relationship, get into conversations and uncover business opportunities, those are the people who should be using LinkedIn purposefully, with intention, integrated into their business processes, not as a sideline tool. That will not work. And because of this, I've created this monthly seminar, a live seminar. Once a month, I'm going to hold it in downtown Winston-Salem, the third Wednesday of every month at 8 a.m. If you're in business, if you're charged with making connections and uncovering business opportunities, and you're not using LinkedIn purposely integrated into your day-to-day routines, you need to come to this seminar, because I promise you it will change your perspective on LinkedIn, and I promise you you will get huge value from the time and the dollar that you invest learning how to use LinkedIn as a business tool.